Jerk.
Jerk.
He jerks the rope quickly.
He jerked the rope suddenly.
Segregate.
Segregate.
They segregate the waste properly.
They segregated the waste yesterday.
Restructure.
Restructure.
We restructure the team annually.
We restructured the team last month.
Chuckle.
Chuckle.
She chuckles at the funny joke.
She chuckled at the joke earlier.
Trim.
Trim.
He trims the bushes every week.
He trimmed the bushes last Sunday.
Beep.
Beep.
The machine beeps when ready.
The machine beeped loudly last night.
Charm.
Charm.
He charms everyone he meets.
He charmed the guests at dinner.
Like.
Like.
I like ice cream a lot.
I liked the movie we watched.
Reaffirm.
Reaffirm.
They reaffirm their commitment yearly.
They reaffirmed their vows yesterday.
Simplify.
Simplify.
She simplifies the math problem.
She simplified the task for us.
Self-test. Jerk.
Jerk.
Segregate.
Segregate.
Restructure.
Restructure.
Chuckle.
Chuckle.
Trim.
Trim.
Beep.
Beep.
charm,
charm,
like,
like,
reaffirm,
reaffirm,
simplify,
simplify,
boost,
boost.
This boosted our confidence greatly.
This has boosted our confidence greatly.
This is boosting our confidence greatly.
boost, confiscate,
Confiscate.
They confiscated the illegal items.
They have confiscated the illegal items.
They are confiscating the illegal items.
confiscate, divulge,
Divulge.
She divulged the secret to no one.
She has divulged the secret to no one.
She is divulging the secret to no one.
divulge, axe,
Axe.
They axed the old project plans.
They have axed the old project plans.
They are axing the old project plans.
axe, amuse,
Amuse.
The clown amused the children.
The clown has amused the children.
The clown is amusing the children.
amuse, borrow,
Borrow.
I borrowed a pen from my friend.
I have borrowed books many times.
I am borrowing a pen right now.
borrow, recoil,
Recoil.
He recoiled at the sudden noise.
He has recoiled at loud noises.
He is recoiling at the sight.
recoil, instigate,
Instigate.
They instigated the new policy.
They have instigated several changes.
They are instigating new policies.
instigate. Model.
Model.
She modelled the dress beautifully.
She has modelled for famous brands.
She is modeling for a magazine.
Model. Assault.
Assault.
He assaulted the fortress bravely.
He has assaulted opponents before.
He is assaulting the castle now.
Assault.
Self-test.
Boost.
Boost.
Confiscate.
Confiscate.
Divulge.
Divulge.
Axe.
Axe.
Amuse.
Amuse.
Borrow.
Borrow.
Recoil.
Recoil.
Instigate.
Instigate.
Model.
Model.
Assault.
Assault.
Assess.
Assess.
We assess the risks regularly.
We assessed the situation quickly.
Whitewash.
Whitewash.
They whitewash the fence every year.
They whitewashed the wall yesterday.
Aggrieve.
Aggrieve.
He aggrieves his friends with lies.
He aggrieved his friend deeply.
Cool.
Cool.
She cools the soup before eating.
She cooled the drink with ice.
Quarter.
Quarter.
They quarter the soldiers in town.
They quartered the chicken for dinner.
Calibrate.
Calibrate.
We calibrate the machine monthly.
We calibrated the device yesterday.
Personify.
Personify.
He personifies courage and bravery.
He personified the hero well.
Finance.
Finance.
She finances the project herself.
She financed the trip last year.
Stone.
Stone.
They stone the fruit to eat it.
They stoned the olives yesterday.
Shame.
Shame.
He shames others with his words.
He shamed the child unfairly.
Self-test. Assess.
Assess.
Whitewash.
Whitewash.
Aggrieve.
Aggrieve.
Cool.
Cool.
Quarter.
Quarter.
Calibrate.
Calibrate.
Personify.
Personify.
Finance.
Finance.
Stone.
Stone.
Shame.
Shame.